August has been a turning point for the US dollar. After many months of strengthening amid the high interest rate, the American currency has been forced to reverse its trend. The forecasts indicate a general easing of the Fed Reserve's policy by about 100 basis points at the three meetings remaining for this year. Whether the US dollar's decline will become irreversible or bulls will still manage to hold the price above the critical line of 100 points may become clear as early as tomorrow, considering that the last trading day of August is full of crucial statistics for the leading central banks. Volatility in the Forex market could be significant. Let us explore how the macroeconomic reports scheduled for Friday, August 30, might affect trader sentiment. You are watching Traders Calendar. It's clear that more and more traders are paying attention to the Japanese yen. The currency of Japan is gradually emerging from the shadow of the central bank's ultra-loose policy, which persisted for several decades. While other leading economies are expected to lower their rates, Japan, on the contrary, intends to raise them. The main condition for this is the rise in inflation. On a Friday, the country will issue its Consumer Price Index report. Economists foresee a rise of 2.4% in August. If the forecast is confirmed, the yen will increase against the US dollar and other major currencies. However, the economic situation in the country is not as rosy as it might seem. The yen is still weak and continues to hold household incomes at a low level. Therefore, retail sales are likely to retreat to 2.9% in July after a 3.7% jump in June. Thus, the yen might not be able to celebrate its small victory for long. In comparison, retail sales in the leading EU economy may grow twice as much as in Japan by around 1.1%. Notably, based on the 2023 GDP results, Japan and Germany swept ranks in the top global economies, with Japan conceding third place to Germany. However, recent reports increasingly suggest that the German economy is still struggling to emerge from its crisis. Therefore, the rise in retail sales should be a positive signal for the entire EU and the single currency. For central banks, inflation is still the key metric to monitor. Its levels serve as the main criterion for rate decisions. Therefore, the publication of preliminary data on a slowing prices in France will push the euro down. According to estimates, the price growth in the Eurozone's second largest economy is expected to slacken to 1.8%. Reports on the price growth in the Eurozone published a few hours later will hardly encourage buyers of the euro. The annual price rate is expected to drop to 2.2%. For the European Central Bank, this will confirm its chosen rate-cutting policy and might even prompt another cut at the meeting scheduled for September 12. A few hours later, the US will disclose its inflation figures. The forecast suggests that the indicator will either stay at the same level of 2.5% or inch up to 2.6%. The US dollar, even with the slightest hint of a growth in the indicator, will respond with a rise. However, this might be a short-lived phenomenon. As we have already mentioned, a certain volatility is guaranteed on Forex as August comes to an end. Please note that the time of publication is set in the GMT plus 3. The next video review of the Traders Calendar will be issued on Monday, September 2. We will monitor the market reaction to the above-mentioned reports. Subscribe to our channel and follow changes in market sentiment with us. Any comments, questions and offers are welcomed. We wish you profitable trading and see you soon.